See if it work out for you. For me. So, I'm going to let it steam for like less than 10 minutes. And after that, I'm going to put it on the grill. Just besoin d'épices ça, entrer en dedans, sans le citron. Il y a mal font ces épices, simplement avec jus citron, montade, soy sauce, which is sauce anglaise, and pour mettre sous. So, faut tout bagay ti Maggie, tout bagay ça après là-dedans. Ça, sur les... Comme sous qu'on tire de là, and then, I'm going to demander, I'm going to cook for 9 minutes. So, I need to cook. Ça pour not low for not a lot. Cover it for it to be steamed. Découvre l'ensemble avec ça. Je faudrait qu'à cook. So, not cook, put it up. Put something on done. Since it's like done now, I'm going to turn the stove off. And going to put it on going to grill it now. It's done. I eat one, you know. Done for.